Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Chromebook. First, ensure your Chromebook supports Android apps. Navigate to your settings and enable the Google Play Store. Once enabled, open the Play Store, search for Minecraft, and purchase the Android version. This method is straightforward, allowing you to install and play the mobile version of Minecraft directly on your device, offering a familiar experience for many players. For the full Java Edition experience, you will need to enable Linux Beta on your Chromebook. Go to your settings, find the Linux Beta option, and turn it on. After installation, open the Linux terminal. First, run sudo apt update to refresh your package lists. Then, install the Java Development Kit, which is essential for running Minecraft Java editions smoothly on your system. Once Linux and Java are set up, download the official Minecraft Java edition. Deb file from the Minecraft website. Save this file to your Linux files folder. Next, open your Linux terminal and use the command sudo dpkg iminecraft deb to install the game. After successful installation, you can find and launch Minecraft Java Edition directly from your Chromebook's application launcher, ready for adventure. To ensure the best Minecraft experience, optimize your Chromebook's performance. Close any background applications to free up valuable RAM and CPU cycles. Within Minecraft, adjust video settings like render distance and graphics quality to lower values for smoother gameplay. While not always necessary, some advanced users might explore lightweight Linux distributions for even better performance. Enjoy building and exploring your worlds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.